Fort Gaines, Dauphin Island, Alabama. The bathrooms. Ooh, watch your step. That's interesting. What is that? That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 10-holer right there.
Alright, we're in the quartermaster's building. The fort store for all military supplies, except for the ammunition, was stored and distributed right here by the quartermaster. He was responsible for all the supplies and would even charge soldiers for items damaged for reasons other than everyday use.
I am writing down everything I see, tracing my steps back till I'm wild and free, and I'll chase until it's in front of me. Born to wander, and that's what led me here. Cursed blessing boy with a golden ear, following my path through a rearview mirror. I will climb the highest mountains, and I'll swim every river, every sea. I will brave the great unknown till my heart is finally where it's meant to be. Often pondering and always asking why. Stop, don't worry here. Put your hand in mine. Truth in tidal waves, surface over time. I will climb the highest mountains, and I'll swim every river, every sea.
Alright, what do we know?
It's like 15, which looks like it is right in the back corner of this first one.
And we are
We're
right
here.
there. So first one.
Yep. And yeah.
It's like 15.
Is that up 17 as our thing?
You want to set this on the table out there,
A lot longer.
or is it? Okay.
So I guess we want to stick with that one.
Yeah, that'll be fine. That way, if one of these other ones are reserved or something, we're not in the wrong spot.
On my dessert. Oh, sorry. I took it down. Keep the
Hang on, I'm gonna do it one more time.
No, it's my
Yeah,
turn.
do it, Dodge. Hanging on.
Yeah. I believe I can fly.
Ready for the bike trip?
I'm not sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We're going down that trail. Right there. We got mud, trees, everything. All right, let's go. We made it that time. How was it?
Where's the puddle? We went through all of them.
We went through the whole thing. How was it?
That time it was good.
We'll climb the highest mountains and I'll swim every river, every sea. I will brave the great unknown till my heart is finally